Hey guys, it's Mackenzie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 50 plus things that you can do at home during quarantine. These things require minimal supplies and sometimes involve being a little bit creative, but they're still really fun things that will take up some time when you're bored during quarantine. Let's get right into the video.
Rearrange your room. Organize your closet. Have an indoor picnic. You can invite your boyfriend. You can invite your cat. And you're not limited to certain foods because you have an entire kitchen in your house. Bake something. I have a video of me baking these cactus macaroons up on my channel. Check it out. Cook something that's preferably not canned. Start a bullet journal. I have my spread out already done for May. Do some yoga. Go for a run. Or go for a walk. Draw something. It could be a little more intricate than a smiley face. Read a book. Write a book. Ride a bike. I don't have a bike, so enjoy this stock image of someone else's. Take a bath. I'm using a cactus bath bomb and then turning off the lights and lighting some candles. Learn a new hairstyle. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot French braid. Watch some YouTube videos, preferably mine. Watch Netflix. Right now I'm really enjoying that 70s show. Learn a craft. I made this stitch book. Have a photo shoot. Easy, breezy, beautiful, cover girl. Style outfits so that when quarantine's over, you know what to wear. Online shop, or if you're a broke college student like me, you can just window shop. Get rid of old stuff. Get ahead on some schoolwork, that way you're not behind. FaceTime your friends or your volleyball team. Start a YouTube channel. That's what I did. Paint something. Learn an instrument. For anyone wondering, I'm playing Old MacDonald. Make your own hand sanitizer. Water your plants, aka my cactus babies. Apply for jobs, and then maybe you won't have to window shop anymore. Get some stretching in, cause I know you're just sitting around all day. Write in a journal, especially during this unique time. Annoy your animals. Poor Charlie. Walk your dog. Walk your bunny. Or even walk your cat. Play some video games. Go for a hike. Clean your house. Go through your camera roll. Create an Instagram theme, and don't forget to follow me at HeyIt'sKens. All my social medias are in the description. Clean out your fridge. Clean your junk drawer. I know you have one. Have a virtual book club, or in my case, just FaceTime your friends again. Meditate. I've heard this app is good. Paint rocks. Play a board game. Candyland is a classic. Watch a movie. White Chicks is the best. Draw with chalk. This isn't my photo either, but it's still a really cool idea. Play with makeup and try out some new looks. Learn a new language. Wash your car. Make a playlist and share them with me in the comments. Wash your dog. He probably stinks.
That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know that I have used a lot of these things when I'm bored, so let me know if you guys use them too. Comment down below which one was your favorite and which one you plan on using during quarantine. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss anything else from me. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope you guys are all staying safe during quarantine. Bye!